Welcome friends in Money for Me Stock Market Educational Hub. Below are our details. If you want to learn chart analysis as well as options data reading of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and F&O stocks, so you can visit our website www.moneyforme.in or you can contact us on our mention number. So as usual, we will see Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis for coming week as well as intraday. How to analyze Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for a intraday. So this is the chart of a Nifty 50 and each candle is a daily candle. So I have marked lines already here, that is the support and resistances of Nifty 50. So if you see line chart, so it will show us a easy scenario. So here was the support of a Nifty 50 and Nifty 50 has taken support from this level 2 times, and this was the resistance. And if you see candle chart, so on a Wednesday Nifty has broken this resistance and this resistance becomes a support. But right now again Nifty 50 has come down this support, and now this support is reacting like a resistance. But the reason was global markets, that is American market. Our market is strongly bullish, but global market is not supporting to us. So that's why Nifty 50 is coming down. But still if you see Nifty 50 is showing a strength from the bottom. So on a Monday, if global market will show strength for upside, so our market will also show the strength of upside. But on a positional trading basis, trend is neutral zone. Nifty 50 is trading in a neutral zone because of the, if you see, this is the level of 15,100 and support around 14,600 700. So Nifty 50 is trading in this range. If global markets will not support us, then Nifty will again come down. So support is around 14,700. Again resistance is around 15,100. So if you small type of trader like 2-3 days, so you can buy near support and sell near resistance. You can do that. You can buy sell in this scenario. Now come to the intraday chart. If I'll click on a 15 minutes and then line chart and zoom it out, so on a 15 minutes if I'll see, so trend is down, that is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And right now Nifty 50 is trading at a support levels here on an intraday chart. This is the support level, like support is here. On a Monday we will see where is the opening. If Nifty 50 open will below this support, so we will say that support has broken and we will wait for this support levels, and Nifty 50 will give any kind of U-turn signal for upside, so we will take a buy call. But trend is down on a 15 minutes, so we will try to take a sell call near a resistance. Always work with the trend. Always try to work with the trend. If market will come up at the resistance and give a signal of a downside, so that time we will take a sell call. That will be better for us because trend is down on a 15 minutes, and vice versa. We have to ready for both side, downside as well as upside, because it is a intraday. Okay, so if Nifty will come up and give a breakout to resistance, so that time we will take a fresh buy call. Now come to the Bank Nifty. First of all we will see daily chart. Then line chart. So Bank Nifty having a resistance around here and support, it is perfect. So again, if you see Bank Nifty chart, it is a daily chart. So Bank Nifty is also trading in a neutral zone, but right now Bank Nifty trading at a support levels. So what we can say that Bank Nifty is weaker than the Nifty 50 on a daily chart. That means banking stocks showing a profit booking and other stocks showing a strength. So that's why Nifty 50 is falling less and Bank Nifty falling more than the Nifty 50. Now it is near a support and global market will support, then we will take a buy call on a Bank Nifty. So wait for a confirmation for a swing traders, but range is around 36,500 and support is around 14,950, that is 35,000. Okay, so it is a range of 1500 points, so it is good, 1500 points, so you can work for that. Now come to the 15 minutes, click on a line chart. So again here is a trend is down, and if I'll draw trend line, so Nifty 50, sorry not Nifty 50, Bank Nifty is trading in a triangle, bearish descending triangle like this. If I draw trend line, so Bank Nifty is trading in a bearish descending triangle. That is the major chart pattern and a bearish chart pattern. So bank index is showing a bearish sentiments, and right now it is trading near a supports. So again here same strategy, better to take sell call near resistance. So where is resistance? So here is my major resistance here, that is around 35,500, 600. This is the first resistance for a intraday trading. So we will prefer to sell call near a resistance because Bank Nifty trading in a bearish descending triangle. So sentiments are a negative and we will take a sell call near resistance. Otherwise we will wait for a breakdown to this support. If Bank Nifty broken this support, so we will take a fresh sell call. Otherwise we will take sell call near this resistance. But overall sentiments are negative on a Bank Nifty. And vice versa, if Bank Nifty will come up and give a breakout to this resistance with the volumes, with the strength, so we will take a fresh buy call. But again there is a resistance of a trend line, so better to wait for a breakout to this trend line. If Bank Nifty will come up and break out to this trend line, so that time we will take a fresh buy call. That time it will give a rapid movements. So if we are seeing for a buy side, so we will prefer Nifty 50, and if a global market showing again fall on a Monday, so we will take a sell call in a Bank Nifty. I hope friend you will like this analysis, so please subscribe our channel and share our channel links. Also if you are a intraday trader, so you can join our Telegram channel. Our channel link has been mentioned in our description box, that is intraday_king, and our website is www.moneyforme.in, www.moneyforme.in, and our Telegram channel as intraday_king. If you search on a Telegram intraday_king, so you will get that. Otherwise you can click on a link on a description box. Bye bye friends, thank you.